looking for when Anura is making decisions about a user?
Yeah. Well, under the GDPR, we do collect PII in the form of an IP address. From a technical standpoint, I'm sure a lot of us technologists would argue that the IP address does not belong to you, as most places you're sharing that IP address. Anyway, so in the world of that, when it comes to GDPR, yes, we collect an IP address, but we're allowed to because of it's designed for fraud detection. But for us, we have to make our decision before actual PII is entered into a form. So we have about a second to run our process before they start entering in their first name, and we have to respond back to our clients in real time to say this is fraudulent or this is real, so that the client can then decide, what am I going to do with this person that I know is fraudulent? So for us, we're collecting over 800 data points on the user's environment. So everything from hardware, software, plugins, anything and everything that we can grab when they land on that landing page. And then based on that information, we analyze that data. We know how it looks, how it interacts with each other, and then we're able to kick back a response. So I'll give you an example. Let's say somebody came to a website about to fill out a form coming from an iPhone, and let's say they were using an IP address that belongs in Starbucks. If they're at a Starbucks, they want to save some money on their car insurance, right? So they fill out this form, everything looks good. That would normally pass most tests, right? Because the IP address is clean, the user agent looks legit, everything looks good, so they pass it through. Now, take it a step further. We are on that page. Person comes through, we scan their device and find out that the iPhone does not have a touchscreen. That presents a problem. Now, for us, that's not a definitive level of fraud detection. We need other areas and other data points to back it up, because if I have a false positive, it costs my clients' lead generators a lot of money. So false positives are extremely important to us. So we have to have enough data that we feel 100% confident it's not a real user. So in that case scenario where they don't have a touchscreen, we're looking for other identifiers to help us understand if this is truly a spoofing attack, whether it is spoofing the device from, let's say they're sitting in the cloud to try to spoof an iPhone device. We need other data points to back that up so that we can give our clients confidence level of 100% that this is definitely not fraud, and definitely not a real person. So that's the kind of data that we collect.